Introduction. Why Christmas increases risk. Christmas is meant to be enjoyable, but it's also one of the highest risk times of the year. Introduction. Why Christmas increases risk. Christmas is meant to be enjoyable, but it's also one of the highest risk times of the year. Fires, electrical faults, kitchen injuries, and slips all increase during the festive period. This video covers simple, practical steps to help keep your home and family safe at Christmas. Fire safety. Candles, trees, and decorations. Candles, decorations, and Christmas trees increase fire risk. Never leave candles unattended. Keep them away from curtains, wrapping paper, and decorations. Ensure real trees are kept watered and away from heat sources. Always extinguish candles and turn off lights before bed. Electrical safety. Lights, extensions, and overloading Christmas lights place extra strain on electrical systems. Avoid overloading sockets and extension leads. Check cables and plugs for damage before use. Only use outdoor rated lights outside. Switch off decorations overnight or when leaving the house. Kitchen and cooking safety. The kitchen is the most dangerous room at Christmas. Never leave cooking unattended, especially frying or roasting. Turn pan handles inward to avoid spills. Use oven gloves and heat-resistant mats. Fatigue and alcohol increase risk. Take extra care. Knife safety and food preparation. More cooking means more cuts and injuries. Use sharp knives and cut away from your body. Keep fingers clear of blades. Never leave knives soaking in sinks where they can't be seen. Store knives safely when not in use. Slips, trips, and housekeeping. Extra people. Presents and packaging increase trip hazards. Keep walkways and stairs clear. Secure loose cables from lights and decorations. Clean up spills immediately. Ensure good lighting, especially at entrances and on stairs. Recycling and waste safety. Christmas generates large amounts of waste. Break down boxes to reduce clutter. Keep batteries, foil, plastic, and broken decorations away from children and pets. Wrap sharp items before disposal. Dispose of batteries and electrical items responsibly. First aid. Be prepared before the holidays. Minor injuries are common at Christmas, often when shops are closed. Check your first aid kit before the holidays. Replace out-of-date items. Ensure you have plasters, sterile dressings, burn dressings, antiseptic wipes, and gloves. Make sure everyone knows where the kit is kept. Final message. Christmas should be remembered for the right reasons. A few simple safety checks can prevent fires, injuries, and unnecessary stress. Enjoy the festive season safely. Stay safe, stay steady, stay ready.